Alright, welcome back to Cookie's Crib. This is going to be my first ever installation video. This is my 2021 Kawasaki Krx, and we're going to be kicking some ass in it this weekend, but I need some storage. So I got this idea off of Pro Steel Products, I believe is the name, and I will show a picture of their website right here. So if you are looking into storage, this is the way to go for a KRX. What it's going to do is it's a mounting bracket plate that goes up here for Milwaukee packout tools. So I'll open her up and show you what I've got. They send all your hardware, Pro Steel Products. I'm going to lay this over here and we'll get started. Alright. This thing is solid as can be, and I don't know what thickness, but it's heavy duty. It's on the website. Check it out. But what we're going to do is get done installing the bolts, and we'll install this bracket. All right, what we have here is we've got our packet of tools with instructions. We've got our instructions right here. But I tell you what, better than looking at his instructions, if you go look at his video, it don't take long to do this, and I'm going to try and do it in the same amount of time he did. So you get a badass sticker to go along with it. You got your hardware here. You got two different size bolts. You're going to have longer size bolts and spacers, and we've got our two long, two short spacers go in the front, long go in the back, and we're going to see if we can't get this bad boy started. To get this started, I'm going to have to, for removal, I'm going to need a 12 millimeter. I can't even say it. I'm not used to working with real tools. So let's go over here and let's take our I'll go ahead and loosen everything. Now for the reinstall, you're going to need a 13 millimeter. So I'm just going to go ahead and load that bad boy up. All right. Now you're going to want to lay these bolts to the side, keep them for a rainy day. So we're going to reuse our brackets. When we put the plate in, you want to leave the washers that are in there, because everything will be reinstalled. Now, I'll just go ahead and grab all our bolts and stuff, and I'm going to try and make this all in one. Whoops, I've got to clean that one out. All right. The two short ones go here. Two long ones go in the back. Hopefully they'll stay right about where we put them. And we'll try and lay that pack out plate down there without messing anything up. All right. This is really heavy duty. I mean, it's got the like an I-beam support. Now let's see if we can lay this bad boy in there. All right, now let's get our screws, our impact wrench. Just got to remember, 2 long bolts go in the back. That's started. Short bolts to the front. There we go. Another short bolt. And the last long bolt. Now, if you didn't catch what I just did, let's take that short bolt out and let's put our tie down strap back in there just in case we need it. It's the you can't put these on the back because it'll stop the boxes from clicking in. So we're doing pretty good now. All right, let's tighten these bad boys down. Oh yeah. We're down. We're down. Trying to keep them in a certain position. We look good right there. Now let's start grabbing some pack outs and see how they do. She's locked in good. We got 2 more. Let's just go with the cooler. See how the cooler does. The cooler didn't give me no trouble. All right. All right. There we go. There we have it for the Pro Steel Products pack out plate. All right, guys. Thanks for watching.